what strategies actually help drive quality traffic through Amazon PPC? So your question is, what are the strategies that are helping drive quality traffic through Amazon PPC? This seems to be a very broad question, but it's not. There are strategies that are not going to be helpful, and it comes down to strategy. So let's step back for clarity. When we are talking about strategy, it's important to understand what strategy is. With ScaleWave, we have 5 strategies that we're applying that are always there. We either are protecting our own brand name and branded keywords and our product pages, which is protect. We either are going to target competitors for which or against which we have competitive advantage, that is going to be conquer. We have the rank strategy, where we're going to strategically take keywords or products in exact match and target those, that is rank. We also have the dominate strategy, which basically means that if you already have proof that those exact match keywords are working, and if you have proof that for specific placement you are ranking really well, that is the strategy behind. And then discover is going to be any other match type that is not exact match. So it's going to be auto, phrase, broad modified. Category targeting, those are going to be the ones that we're going to apply for our discover strategy. And why is this very, very important for you to understand this? Because 5 years ago, when I started ads and learned ads, I learned tricks, tips, tactics. This is what to do. I did not know what to do next. I was implementing the strategy, but then when it was broke, I did not know why it's broke. And even worse, I did not know how to fix it. Even worse than that, whenever I was successful with the strategy, I thought that I'm such a brilliant Amazon advertiser. This is like 1 month in Amazon advertising. Looking back now with 5 years plus of Amazon advertising knowledge, I can criticize myself. I didn't know how to properly replicate success. Most of the time, people don't understand the strategy behind one campaign. If you're not clear on that strategy, no matter what you're doing, you're not going to be able to, one, stay accountable to it. So you will see that the strategy is working or not. And then second, in case that it works, how can you duplicate it? And third, in case that it's not working, you will know clearly why it's not working. Let me know if that answered the question, because I really think that would be a better way for you to understand how strategies work to drive qualified traffic. There's no right or wrong answer. There is, where do you want to go? We also have people who are not in Amazon PPC, and you also at least get an understanding of what I say. If you want to go grocery shopping, you need food, you're going to go to the closest grocery store, right? If you need makeup, you're going to go somewhere where it's provided. If you're going to movies, you're going to see the movie that you want. That is also the thing with the strategies that you're applying. So you have to know what you are looking for to get it. Once you got it, know that you got the right thing. Let me know if that helped.